This is going to be a video tutorial on how to crop an image in Google Slides. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. Okay, I have my browser open now and I am on Google Slides. I have an image on my slide here. To crop an image in Google Slides, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is left click on your image to select it. I have my image selected now. I have the bounding box around my image. Next thing you want to do is go up to the top up here where you see this little kind of a rectangle box up here, and you want to click on that. If you put your mouse cursor over it, it says crop image. I'm going to click on it. Now if you pull in on one of the sides, say that I just wanted to crop out this little house here, I'm going to pull down on the top, pull up a little. Now the final stage is to hit enter. I'm going to hit enter on my keyboard. Now I have cropped that image. I'm going to press Ctrl Z a couple times to back up. Another thing you can do is you could crop your image into a shape. First thing you want to do is click on your image to select it. My image is selected. The next thing you want to do is go back up here to right next to the crop image. You'll see a little drop down here. If you put your mouse cursor over that little drop down, it says mask image. You want to click on that drop down, and right here you could crop your image into shapes, arrows, callouts, or equations. I'm going to drop down here to shapes. Say that I wanted to crop this image into an oval. I'm going to find the one that says oval here. It's right here. I'm going to click on it. And now as you can see, I have cropped my image into an oval. Now I can always downsize it if I want. I can upsize it, downsize it. I can move it around. That is how you crop an image in Google Slides. Thanks for watching.